At Dazuma, we don't just provide lighting, we offer a full range of design services. We can help you design and create a customized solution tailored to your needs. At Dazuma's own factory, we create products that meet your expectations. Every product has been thoroughly tested, so you don't need to worry about quality issues. Dazuma's reliable shipping partners will ensure your products are delivered safely to you. Our construction team will ensure that the project is completed safely and to a high standard. Dazuma has a full team of technical experts. We'll take care of everything if you need us to. With one simple switch, the environment comes alive. Soft light spreads evenly across desks, equipment, and conference tables, creating comfort without clutter and brightness without harshness. Dazuma's circular chandelier, modern lighting perfectly integrated. Dazuma, your expert in lighting and whole home customization.